Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom font for your Squarespace accordion. This is a fantastic way to make your accordion sections stand out and match your website's unique branding. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your website projects without any hassle. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to use a custom font for your accordion. This takes you directly into that specific site's editing environment where you can make all the necessary changes. Now focus on the left side menu where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Website, and under that section you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages to access the structure of your site. This is where you can see all the different sections and content areas that make up your website. Next, shift your attention back to the left side menu. This time, look for Custom Code and click on it. Under Custom Code, you'll see an option labeled Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS to open the editor where you can add your own styling rules. This is the area where you'll be able to control the font appearance of your accordion elements. Now, I've already prepared a code for you that you can use. Feel free to pause the video right here so you can copy the code exactly as it appears. This will save you time and ensure that the styling works correctly on your website. The code is specifically designed to target accordion elements and apply custom font styling to them. Once you've copied the code, you can edit the custom CSS that I've provided to suit your website's needs. The beauty of CSS is that it's highly customizable, so you can adjust things like font size, weight, and spacing to match your design preferences perfectly. One of the most important parts you'll want to customize is the font family. You can edit this to whatever font you prefer, whether it's a Google font, Adobe font, or any other web-safe font that aligns with your brand identity. Just make sure the font is properly loaded on your site for it to display correctly. After you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with how the custom font looks, click Save. Squarespace will process your changes and apply the custom CSS to your accordion. You might need to wait a moment for the changes to take effect across your site, so give it a few seconds to fully load. And there you have it, you've successfully applied a custom font to your Squarespace accordion. Your accordion sections should now reflect the custom styling you've created, giving your website a more polished and personalized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.